Let's look to see if there's any bees up here. Nope. I don't see any. There's one bee. I don't see him doing much up here, so oh, here's one up in the top. Hey look, I pulled the whole thing up. They're propolising. That's interesting, they're propolising the whole thing. One bee up there, I don't know what you're doing. Not much. And there's my little thermometer that I keep up in the top. So I think I was a little late getting the jars in. So another call. I'm gonna get into the hive and check stuff out. There's a bee there. That might have just come up. You know, they see the light and they're attracted up. Although there was a couple jars that had a couple bees in it. There's definitely a lot of bees on the top of the second frame. It's interesting that they're propolising. Yeah, a whole bunch of them on the bottom, and they're doing some propolis around it. Okay, ladies, get back down there. Let me see if they went back down. I think they're back down. Nice gooey propolis. What's this here? So we'll try this again next spring.